So when I say art, the first thing that comes into my mind is the Great Wave, Hokusai's beautiful woodblock print.
Yeah, yeah.
And that to me is like, if I say art, I'm like, yeah, okay, that's like the highest peak for me to not, I don't want to say compare, but when I say, oh, what kind of art do you like? I would say that.
Okay.
Like, where do you stand? What's your...
Well, I can certainly see why. The Hokusai wave is certainly probably the most iconic piece of Eastern art ever. In the West, it would be, I would say, the Mona Lisa, for a lot of people.
Yeah.
There's Starry Night. There's also the famous Chinese horse painting, right? These are like the icons that, everybody has that flash picture in their head. And for you, it's the wave. And I mean, that definitely it deserves to be up there. I mean, it's up there for a reason.
So what about you, like personally?
When I think like art, what's the one
What's the one piece of art that comes into your mind when you say like, yeah, that's like the highest,
Oh, okay. So I think for most artists, we wouldn't say there is a highest. It's, if you go back to even like the old cave paintings, right? The oldest cave paintings found in France, I believe.
Beautiful,
right?
yes.
Yeah. And I go by what my art history teacher once taught me, that in art history, we start with the cave paintings, we move forward into the Renaissance and all the, abstract and everything like that. Yeah. And the idea that he said that I hold by is that art changes, but it doesn't get better. Right? So, you have the Hokusai wave, you have all these other pieces, and there's change. There's a lot of change, and there are iconic pieces that define eras and they define genres, but they don't get better per se.